Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, preparing for a boat pose variation. Clasp your hands beneath your chair. Lift your right leg and hold as you continue sitting tall with your chest lifting. Release and repeat on the opposite side, toning through your abdominal muscles, strengthening through your low back. Release. Continue moving from right to left, or for more of a challenge, lift both legs and hold as you continue lifting through your chest, lengthening your spine, feeling your abdomen, spine, and hip flexors working. Release and return to center. Moving into a lateral stretch variation, place your left hand to the chair for support. Reach your right arm up and overhead and lower. Continue flowing with this movement, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, feeling a gentle stretch through your right side body. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Place your right hand to the chair for support. Reach your left arm up and overhead and lower. Continue flowing with this movement, breathing wide into your left side body. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.